Hello
everybody,
and welcome to the second of our family workshops. We hope you're all well and we're looking forward to spending some time with you. This workshop is called Spring Leaves.
The world is very different from how it was a month ago when we were last recording. All of the leaves on the trees are unfurling and you can tell all the different sorts of trees by the leaves. So that's something we'll be looking at today. Also, down by the river, the wild garlic that was just leaves has now got beautiful white flowers that can also be eaten. We'll have some in the shop if anybody passes by and wants to use some. Also, the moon has changed. Last time the moon was the older moon, and from the 23rd of April it is now turned to the willow moon, and we're in the new moon phase at the moment. Another word for it is the mother moon or the bright moon.
I've been excited because the tree next door to us is an apple tree and it's been humming because the bees have been in and out of the blossom. We went up to check on the Eco Hub and there all the apple trees down the side have got their blossom out and all the insects are starting to get very, very excited. In our polytunnel, which we made down at the bottom of the garden, we've got some seeds coming up and there's a little game to see whether you can spot what they're going to grow into.
We're also going to be planting some potatoes. The ones that we're going to do to show you will be in little sacks. You can also do them in pots and sometimes in the garden, if you've got one, in the ground. And Martin and Sarah and Kevin have done a little slideshow to explain how to do that on the website.
We'll be making some potato fritters and some nettle crisps and some clay models and a story about Jamie who tries to grow potatoes.
We've also got a challenge for you. We're going to be planting sunflowers. Now, if you don't have a sunflower seed at home, then you can come to the shop and we'll have some there that you can come and get. And it's a really good idea if you can do that before May the 8th, because now is the perfect time to be planting new seeds that will grow up. And the sunflowers will hopefully grow big and strong. On the 22nd of April, it was World Environment Day, or Earth Day, some people call it, and it was the celebration of 50 years. So what we'd like to do is plant the sunflowers to attract the wildlife so that they can come and have some food, which will be really good for everybody around. So we hope that you can join our challenge. Maybe yours will be the biggest one, or planted in the strangest place, or be the most unusual sunflower. Did you know there are 70 different varieties, probably more, and that the tallest one was over 10 metres tall?
Whoa!
I wonder how tall yours will get. I hope that you can join in with it.
So, see you as we go on. Bye
Bye
for now.
bye.